Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today, I finally got my hands on an Oyin Handmade product. Yes, I got it at the World Natural Hair Show. I picked it up while I was there, and you guys have been suggesting this brand to me for a while, so I finally got something from them. I got their What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. And it looks like this. And I'm so glad you guys suggested this to me. Like, this mask is bomb.com. It reminds me a lot of the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask, except more strengthening, if that makes any sense. One of the things that attracted me to this product the most was the bamboo extract. You see that ingredient in some products, but not too many. And y'all know I love bamboo. Obviously, actually, I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, I have like 4 or 5 bamboo plants in my room, but I'm just gonna jump right into the demo portion. But before I do, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so I'ma just jump right into it. Today I'm reviewing the Oyin Handmade What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. It comes in 8 ounces, the container, and it retails for $14.99. And the consistency is like, I don't know, a thick pudding. Not like a runny pudding, like a thick pudding. I can't turn it upside down. It would definitely come out, and I don't want that. But I do really like the texture and the consistency of this product. And it smells like honey, but like a honeysuckle smell, not like a straight just honey smell. I really like it. I don't think it's overpowering, but it definitely like lingers in your hair a little bit even after I rinsed it out. Anyway, the featured ingredients are hemp seed oil, bamboo extract, shea butter, and honey. But the first 5 ingredients were on the screen, and the entire ingredients list will be down below in the description box like always. And the directions on the website are kind of amazing. They're my favorite part. In the how to use section, it says apply generously to clean damp hair, finger combing through to ensure an even application, leave on the hair for 20 to 30 minutes, and bonus points for wrapping in a heat cap or a warm towel, which opens up the hair cuticle for extra absorption. And use this time for some extra self-care. Read a book, listen to your favorite music, write in your journal. When finished, this treatment rinses clean, leaving soft, supple hair behind. Style as usual with your Oyin leave-in and finishing products of choice. Like, when was the last time you read some directions and it told you to go read a book? That's great. Anyway, as far as my experience, I do really like this conditioner. When I first put it on, I was a little scared that it was just gonna sit on top of my hair, as you guys can see here, but it did absorb in, and y'all know I slept with this overnight for extra deep penetration and moisture. And y'all, after rinsing this out, this stuff is the truth. Like, it felt so soft, like super soft, and honey tends to have that effect on my hair anyway. So after looking at the ingredients at the World Natural Hair Show when I picked this up, I just knew it was gonna be popping, and Oyin did not disappoint. So thank you guys for telling me about this product and this product line. On their website, it says this is the new What the Hemp collection. I don't know how long it's been out, and I don't know how new this product is, but I do highly recommend it. This is what my hair is looking like after I have twisted everything up. And like I said before, you guys know I sleep with my deep conditioners in overnight. And I also sat under a hoodie dryer for 30 minutes with plastic bags on my head, y'all know, like usual. I also want to say that you can get these products from their website, oyinhandmade.com. And I have seen Oyin products in store, but I haven't seen the What the Hemp collection in Walmart or Target or anything. So just stick to the website if you're interested. Links will be down below in the description box. So after the deep condition process and rinsing this out, this is what my twists are looking like. And when I started this process, it was on freshly shampooed hair, and you guys saw how like dry looking it was, which I don't mind because I like clarifying shampoos. But this stuff, like, it just soaked right in. It is so soft. I wish y'all were in my bathroom just so you can touch my hair. I know honey, like, it does this to my hair. It just makes it super soft, and I would highly recommend this product. As you can see, it's not offering a ton of definition, but I don't need my deep conditioners to offer definition at this point. It definitely left my hair super soft and supple, and also feeling really, really strengthened. So I hope you guys enjoyed the demo portion. Obviously, I love this mask. I think it's amazing. I have this much of it left. And to be honest, oh, I don't want this to fall. The consistency has like a huge part to play in why it works so well for my hair. That's how I feel. And like I said, I think it's extremely moisturizing. It felt really soft when I was done deep conditioning my hair, like softer than normal. And I really like it, even though I also felt like my hair was really strong at the same time. So this is like the perfect storm between strength and moisture, if you ask me. Like, definitely something I would use and use over and over again. If you are in the market for something that is strengthening and moisturizing, I would definitely recommend this. In my hair, I do feel like it was more moisturizing, but still would highly recommend, highly recommend. All the links will be down below in the description box if you are interested. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.